somebody actually brought you up
Yeah.
on the internet talking about they had put hands on you.
Yeah, man.
And this guy has actually been telling stories. He's only been telling story. Well, I was gonna say he's only been telling stories since January when Whack 100 took him to No Jumper. That's when he went viral since then. But he actually been having people's name in his mouth for like the last 10 years, but it never went viral.
Yeah.
So, did you hear the audio that this guy said about you, and what was your reaction when you first heard it?
I mean, you know me, man. People. I'm really easy to get in contact with.
Yeah.
With anybody. A stranger can get in contact with me right now, so I ain't hard to find from anyone. You know what I'm saying? So my folks start hitting me like, you feel me? Like people love me out here, bro. So niggas start hitting me like, hey, who the fuck is Cuz? You feel me? Knowing, you know what I mean? I ain't going for no games like that. You know what I'm saying? Nobody putting their fucking hands in my face without something happening to you. You know what I'm saying? You're out of your fucking mind. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I ain't even talking about shooting you or nothing. You know what I mean? I ain't even talking about on no tough shit or nothing, but you put your fucking hands in my face, I'm gonna fuck around and kill you with my bare hands, cuz.
Hey.
On Crip Gang. I ain't going for none of that. You know what I'm saying? But it's funny because when a person is out here already stealing someone else's identity, their credibility ain't shit from the gate. You know what I mean? So if anybody believe in anything that a person says of that nature, you ain't question your motherfucking self. But I'm glad people ain't stupid. You know what I mean? Because I heard what the motherfucker said, and then I looked in the comments and everybody like, you got me fucked up. That nigga, you ain't wouldn't put your hands on that. You know what I'm saying? So niggas ain't stupid. You know what I mean? Probably one or two motherfuckers that ain't even have a picture was like, oh, I believe him. Some fool for motherfuckers in the comments. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, there's no goddamn well, you ain't put your hands on me out in L.A. and you supposed to be from 60s. You know what I'm saying? And you put your hands on me and don't nobody know about it but you. How the fuck is that even possible?
All right,
you slap me and don't nobody else know about it but you.
All right, we're gonna play the clip of what this dude Luce Cannon. I call him the fake Luce Cannon.
Exactly.
Because there is a real Luce Cannon out there.
I'm already knowing.
Yeah.
I seen your whole story and shit, bro. I already know the whole scoop. This guy here talking about he the nigga that produced for Nas and 50 Cent and all them because
never
took somebody else accolades and act like it's him. I already know the whole game.
All right, we're gonna play
weirdo cuz.
We're gonna play the clip of Luce Cannon speaking on Jayo Felony.
I had a session. He know the dude or whatever like that. And these dudes be like 40 plus or whatever, still acting like they just hot. So I go in there, I'm making some beats and stuff. And my engineer come back, he was like, man, he was in there talking about you and stuff like that. I'm like, who? And then he was like,
what was he saying about you?
He was like, oh, this young nigga thinking he hot and he it or whatever like that, showing up late to the session and stuff like that. They don't have no respect. So I instantly go in there. I'm like, you talking to the king of LA like that? Slap cuz. Boom! Well, as soon as I slapped him, he started holding his face and he started reaching in his waistband. I'm like, oh, cuz got a burner. And I said, I don't even have one. So I was like, oh, he got me dead bang. He pulled out a cell phone and call Big U, your nephew tripping. I'm like, oh yeah, bro, you a buster.
I shouldn't be laughing. Damn, I'm getting in trouble for laughing.
That's it. That's all that weirdo said.
Yeah, that was pretty much it. And man, so many people decided to react to that, to post it. And he had to throw in Big U's name in there. And as you probably already know, he's been trying to smut Big U for the last 10 months, for about a year, almost a year.
Yeah, my whole thing, the first thing is, if you trying to smut somebody on the internet about some street shit, you already a fool for ass in the first place. You know what I mean? Like, who the fuck take something that's supposed to be in the street to the internet, whatever the fuck it is? That's the first thing. You know what I mean? You need to shut the fuck up. And if you really got a problem with Big U, go see him and shut the fuck up.
Nah, he ain't gonna do that.
You know what I mean? Because another thing, he's talking about he from 60s. I just was at the 60 Hood Day. I wasn't there this year, but you better believe I was there the last motherfucking year, and I didn't see no Luce of a cannon at the motherfucker. But y'all talk all that shit about Big U and Cowboy. Them niggas is at the Hood Day now.
Now,
on the set. You know what I mean? So And another thing, hold up. Let me tell you this before we go any further. With this nigga faking that he's your friend, Luce Cannon, this is faking like he the. First of all, any nigga faking, he got an identity crisis, first of all, that he been having, taking the nigga identity and they accolades and acting like it's him. That's the first thing. So how the fuck is